Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video we will mix apple green semi-gloss latex paint. Apple green is a bright green color with a light tint of yellow. This green color is cheerful and warm. It pairs well with wide variety of colors including neutrals like brown and gray. Okay, let's start. Our client order 1 gallon apple green semi-gloss latex mix for interior wall. Let's start by pouring gloss latex hands a yellow and ochre color hands a yellow. Then let's add ochre color, phthalo green. And also drop semi-gloss latex white. Stir the paint very well. We are more lighter. Let's add more ochre color, phthalo green. It's more yellowish. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white and ochre color phthalo green. Stir the paint well. Let's add a little more ochre color phthalo green. Let's add more white and ochre color green. It's almost the same, just more drops of ochre color hands are yellow. Yes, we got the right shade already. mixing accomplished. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button and watching our